Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is what happens when you decide to punch a cop. Yeah, this ain't gonna end well. This definitely ain't gonna end well. That is one thing you do not want to do. Let's get into the video, man.
Punching a cop in the face is never the answer to your problems.
Good old Walmart.
In the parking lot with
Sir, what's going on, man? You alright? You alright? Getting through? You got an ID?
Huh?
ID?
I don't know.
No?
No.
What's your name? Back up.
Back up.
Yeah.
Oh man.
What's your name?
Sorry, you said.
Oh nah, it ain't no alright.
Come here. Take. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind you. Turn around. Get on your back.
Hell no.
Get on your back.
You're a bitch.
Get
Why
on
is
your
that
back.
car just there? Move
I
that
tried
car.
you good, nigga.
Get on your back. Taser deployed. Get on your back.
taser deployed.
What's up, man?
4. Get on your back.
What? Fuck, I know what's gonna happen, nigga.
Damn, where Trump where you need him, man? God dang. My bad. Let's not get into
I
politics.
try my best.
Turn around, get on your back. Parking lot in front of grocery.
Marcos, you a bitch. I thought I loved you, nigga. I thought you loved.
This is crazy.
Bitch ass nigga, you did him wrong, nigga. You think you wanted more up, nigga. You a bitch ass nigga. Go ahead, nigga. You already got me, nigga.
21 Central District.
Bitch ass nigga.
Roll over to your back. Roll over to your stomach.
I ain't gonna listen to shit, nigga. Do what you wanna do, nigga.
Roll over to your stomach.
Get up. Go. Now. Go over.
Alright, nigga.
Alright.
I ain't doing shit.
Give me your fucking hand. Give me your hand now.
Alright.
Give me your hand. Give me your
I am
hand.
doing this,
No, you're
man.
not. Put your hand behind your back.
I am giving you my hand, nigga.
Wait, that's a female getting busy like that? The guy ain't even. Don't tell me that's a female, bro.
30, you good?
Yeah, she got nailed. Oh, he should be. That cop should be ashamed of himself. She doing all the work.
Sector 30, you good?
All right, 25. We got him. We're good. Slow down.
Good job. She wasn't playing with him, boy.
Hands are up to the Walmart. Continue on the slow down.
Sit up.
Oh yeah, she not playing with his goofy
What
ass.
do you do?
I'm like, everything's all right. You kept 7 towards me, so I'm like, back up. You start swinging.
You get my door open.
Don't grab him like that now. She did all the work. Nah, boy. Oh yeah, she not playing with him, boy. Oh yeah.
It's what I do.
Wait until she tell the boys about this.
You gonna sit up again in the car?
I don't know where the girl's at.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like her, boy. Oh yeah, I like her.
Face that way.
Boy, I like her.
You know, for a second. On the hand. What's he doing?
Did you get in or? I don't know. He had blood on when I got here.
I think he's his hand when he switched it around. So I pull up, he's right there. I pull up, he's right there, bunch of beer cans that way. He walks this way. I turn around, watch for a second, he's by that truck. Yeah. Stop, I get out, I'm like, hey man, you okay? He's like, yeah, I'm alright. Seems intoxicated. Kept walking towards me, I'm like, hey man, back up a little bit. I was like, back up.
Smash your hand.
Yeah, so I called it again. And then he starts swinging. Bites people's punches, starts swinging again. Try to grab him, hits my arm again, turns around, starts running, like, stop.
I'll go.
I got a leg check if you want him. You want a leg check?
I got a leg check. Okay. And then just preemptively, we'll do all the paperwork, get him cleared for incarceration and all the rest of it. I'm sure that they're going to keep him for hours, just because.
He's still got a hospital man now.
Does he?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Joel Geary. I already gave her the name.
He's high or is
They
he just crazy?
Hey, well, he's definitely intoxicated. He's sitting there, all those beer cans right there.
He's drunk. Yeah, he's trying to smell. All right. They might keep him then for a while. But just keep me posted. Just have all that paperwork ready to go so that one way or the other, if we got to do a prisoner hold or, you know, if they do release him, we got to take it to county. We got to do some stuff to kind of expedite the process. And then you and I will go to the main station. We'll knock out that. We'll knock out all of our paperwork. I went and talked to people. Nobody actually witnessed like what happened. One lady said she heard the pops from the taser and then saw him fight with you guys, but she didn't actually see the incident leading up. We got Mercedes just trying to get the video just so we can say that we did our part. Did he mess up your car?
You messed up my car? I just got the car wash. I literally just got out of the car wash today, so maybe it was the car wash.
There's no witnesses.
I'm sure there are. They all left. They were all, a couple of them were
There was one black dude who was
holding
holding up his car, but then he's gone now.
So there's a bunch of people out here that just nobody stuck around. So
We'll be on YouTube, I'm sure. Or their Facebooks. Because they were videotaping when
She knows she's gonna be on YouTube.
He was charged twice with resisting an officer and battery on an officer.